Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Aisyah Clinic. I'm Sabila. How can I help you today? Good morning, nurse. I've been suffering a lot, and I feel a bit short of breath. Alright, let me register your death first. May I have your full name, please? My name is Nadia Rizal. Thank you, Miss Nadia, and your date of birth. February 26, 2005. Are you single or married? I'm single. And do you have an emergency contact person from your family? Yes, my mother. May I have her phone number? Sure. Her number is 5123450. Thank you. Do you smoke? No, I don't smoke at all. Do you drink alcohol? No, I don't drink. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't have any allergies. Do you have any medical store like asthma, diabetes, or heart problem? No, nothing serious. I only get the flu sometimes. Have you ever been treated by a doctor for this condition before? No, this is my first time getting it checked. Thank you. Please proceed to the nurse room for your examining. Okay, thank you. Excuse me, nurse. This is the registration form for the next question. And Miss Maria, she is waiting outside. Alright, thank you. I will call her now. Okay, thank you. Miss Nadia, please come in. Hello, good morning, Miss Nadia. I'm Nurse Aline. I will check your vitality today. Sorry. I will check your pulse. Sorry. Your pulse rate is 92 beats per minute. Sorry. Your temperature is 38 degrees Celsius, slightly above normal. Please keep your arms still. Alright, Miss Nadia, your results show mild fever and slightly high blood pressure. I will prescribe some medication to help your symptoms. Please take this prescription to the pharmacy room and they will prepare your medicine. But your blood pressure is slightly elevated, so please be more careful with your diet and avoid salty food for now. Hi, thank you, nurse. You're welcome. Please go to the pharmacy counter.